Now, there's a specific exercise that I like to prescribe called walking in slow motion. The exercise addresses many modern issues, so-called ADHD, self-control, stopping time, going beyond time, transcending impatience, and so on. All of this is addressed and counteracted in one simple exercise called walking in slow motion. So what you do is you define a place you want to go, not too far away, a place that if you walk to it, it would normally take maybe half a minute, 30 seconds to get there, maybe less, 20 seconds. And you intend to get there in 10 minutes. So you walk in not only half slow motion, not only quarter slow motion, not only 1/10 slow motion, not only 1% slow motion, but so slowly in a continuous movement that you get there in approximately 10 minutes. Doesn't have to be exactly, but approximately. Okay? You got to get a feel for it. Now, the movement, the walking movement has to be one continuous movement. Okay? You don't stop for any reason ever. So, I'll give you an example of what this looks like on my feet. Now, I also happen to have a copper piece knocked into my shoe, but that has nothing to do with this exercise. That's for grounding purposes. If you don't know what that is, look it up. This then is slow motion walking, and I've seen monks do it much more slowly. So this stretch that I walk in 30 seconds normally, they might take an entire day to walk without stopping in a continuous motion, so incredibly slow that it looks like they're not moving, but they actually are. And what do you think their mindset is during that? It's total control of consciousness. They are totally source of their actions, their behavior, their reality while doing that. So I'm not asking you to do it all day. I'm saying, can you just do it for 10 minutes? Because even just that will put you back into the captain's chair. That is slow motion walking.